Do you feel like you're drowning in irrelevant data hours, days lost searching for that key information? I'm Louisa, and I'm about to reveal to you how the IA are going to multiply your research by 50. Say goodbye to frustration. I introduce you to that one. If space aging, the only one already designed exclusively for science, is your new copilot, let's start this revolution. Introducing SSI Space Research Agent, a real-time AI assistant that helps you perform various research tasks. Everything from a single interface. It is connected to more than 150 academic tools and is designed to support your research process, from literature review to proposal writing. Start by opening the Research Super yesterday. Super Research Agent from the Scispace homepage. This is where you can enter payron based on the research tasks you need help with. Once inside, you can write your assignment as a prompt. Let's review some common use cases in which researchers often need support for systematic literature reviews. Use a prompt based on your needs and watch how people perform the task. You can see their activity live. Every step you take is clearly visible and follows a structured step-by-step approach. And here is your result. You can copy or download the result easily with a single click. In addition, it suggests follow-up queries for more information. For patent research, grant discovery, and proposal drafting, enhance your methodology seamlessly. To create visual representations of your findings, i.e., data visualization. For the writing of manuscripts that are acquired according to the guidelines of a journal. For scientific posters and presentations, here are more prompts you can try. Each of these tasks can be completed from this single interface. You will get a structured result, but always remember to review the results before using the content in your research. This is how you can use CSI Space Research Agent at different stages of your academic or research workflow. It works like a credit system. Each task consumes a certain amount of credits depending on the complexity and steps involved in the task. Test different probes based on your current task and adapt them as needed, although people are designed vertically for researchers. He is also able to handle academic and general planning tasks. You can also use it for other routine tasks, but the super agent of Scispace. Now you imagine all this means, but your research is a liberation. FCI Space Agent not only finds information, organizes it, categorizes it, and presents you key perspectives so that you can make informed decisions and validate your hypothesis with maximum confidence. You are transforming your role from a simple seeker to a true knowledge strategist. Your work will be faster, more solid, and with a much greater impact. Think about this. SSI Space can save scientists an average of 1,300 hours a year. That's more than 7 months of work returned directly to the discovery phase. This is not just a tool, it is a revolution in your productivity. Today you have witnessed the incredible power of the SSI Space Alien, transforming you into a masterful strategic researcher who navigates information with unprecedented expertise. Instead of being overwhelmed by chaos, you'll convert it into well-organized knowledge. To elevate your research further, I'm thrilled to present you with a special opportunity. Enjoy an exclusive 40% discount on SSI Space Alien extra credits available only for a limited time. Act fast! Acquiring this is remarkably straightforward. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who can benefit from this groundbreaking innovation, and leave a comment containing the phrase SSI Space Agent. Soon, you will receive your unique code for access. Take this opportunity to revolutionize the way investigations are conducted. Remember to click the link provided in the video description to explore SSI Space Agent and embark on your journey. Excited to see you in the next video. Don't miss out today, where we will continue to unleash your maximum academic and professional potential.